Hello, dear students. How are you all? I will hope you all are fine. Welcome in class. I am Bhupender Verma, your science teacher. So, dear students, today we are going to start second part of chapter garbage in and garbage out. So, in this section, we discuss about recycling and reusing treatment and other parts. First is reusing and recycling. We all know well what is a mean of reusing. If we use the things again and again and again, that is known as reusing of things. Like a bottle we used of multiple times, that is mean of reusing. And what is a recycling? We all know well recycling when one kind of the things, if it's become a waste material, then convert into other kind of things and use again, that is known as recycling. So in this section first we study recycling of paper. Paper is made from wood. We know that paper is made from wood and it is obtained from paper tree pulp. Through the paper is also biodegradable. Though the paper is biodegradable, a better way of disposing paper it is to use a part of it home. Okay बेटा, what is the mean of that? बेटर वे टू डिस्पोजिंग द पेपर. पेपर को डिस्पोज करने से बेटर क्या है, हम उसे अपने घर में यूज़ करें. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, पेपर इज़ यूज टू कवर द बुक्स एंड मेकिंग द papers to wrap the notebooks, wrap the gifts, etc., and also used to make the packets for purchasing items, and selling the rest to waste collector, and the rest of the paper sell to the waste collector. The waste which comes during the covering of notebook, the remains paper which is cut out and tear, selling to the waste collector. What is a waste collector? The person who deals in the waste material, जो waste material को deal करता है, that is waste collector. For recycling, and waste collector sell to the recycling industry. It is recycled by the making paper carry bags or used to making recycled paper. What is the making of that paper? First, the damaged paper break down into smaller pieces, and after break down into smaller pieces, mix with the water to make a pulp of paper, and after that adding the soap solution, remove the dirt, ink, etc. from the paper. Then after that, if the pulp is ready to make a paper again, then make the carry bags from it and recycled paper. What is a recycled paper? Rough notebook paper, etc. are made from it. If we recycle the paper, we reduce the number of trees cut down. If we recycle the paper again and again, then we prevent the trees of paper to cut it down. Also, there is a less garbage to be disposed of, and also the less garbage to be disposed of. And one more thing is, we prevent from the more garbage disposal. You can even make the recycled paper at home to paint it. So this is activity work for you. Use the waste paper and recycle it, and watch the activity which is given below this part. Reusing and recycling non-biodegradable waste. Recycling and reusing of non-biodegradable waste. First is a recycling and reusing of biodegradable waste. Here we study about recycling and reusing of non-biodegradable waste. Over the last few years, we have started buying a number of products packaged in cans, aluminum foils, plastics, and other such non-biodegradable items. We know that cans are made up of metal, aluminum foil is also metal, made up of metal, and plastics are non-biodegradable substance. We can throw away the packaging. As a waste item. This has led to an immense increase in the amount of non-biodegradable waste. If we throw out these things, they are the major part of non-biodegradable waste. That's why reuse and recycling of these waste has become very essential. इसलिए इन products की recycling और reuse करना जरूरी है. So we can reuse the number of items such as cans, bottles to store items at home. We recycle the cans and bottles to store at home, and we can use the plastic carry bags for keeping things we buy instead of taking new bags from the shopkeeper. हम पुराने बैग ले जाकर ही क्या कर सकते हैं, उनसे शॉपिंग कर सकते हैं, ना कि नया बैग खरीदें. उसके लिए नए कैरी बैग की ज़रूरत नहीं, अपना कैरी बैग अपने साथ लेकर जाएं और उसी से शॉपिंग करें. द रेस्ट कैन बी शुड sold to the waste collector for recycling. And recycling non-biodegradable waste involves the collection of used and discarded materials. used and discarded material, the material which is used once and discarded, that means damaged, and processing them to make a new products. What is the mean of processing? Suppose a metal can and we need to recycle it, then metal all collect the loads of metal can to melt it and again convert into metal cans. So that is processing. The waste collector takes these items for factories where the cans are melted to make new cans, and broken bottles are also melted to make a new glass products such as bulbs, etc., and also made a bottle from them. Plastics are also recycled to make various plastic products. You know that in market some cheap quality plastic is available. This is recycled plastic. Some cheap quality plastic products are available in market, then have the low cost. So how this is made up of? They are made up of recycled plastic. Disposal of plastics. How we dispose of plastic? When the plastics are introduced, they were hailed as a wonder मटेरियल. जब प्लास्टिक खोजा गया तो सबको ये लगा कि बहुत ज़्यादा चमत्कारी सब्सटेंस है, अ वंडर मटेरियल, लोग बहुत खुश हुए. But however, today's plastic become a serious worldwide environmental health concern because it is non-biodegradable and not mixed with the soil. And if we use the lots of plastic products, and without plastic our light फेज नॉट टू बी इमेजिनेबल. अगर हम आज की बात करें तो हमारी लाइफ बिना प्लास्टिक थिंग्स के इमेजिनेबल भी नहीं है. एंड केयरलेस डिस्पोजल ऑफ प्लास्टिक बैग्स चोक्स द ड्रेन्स. इफ़ वी केयरलेसली थ्रो द प्लास्टिक बैग्स एंड इट कैन चोक्स द ड्रेन. जो सीवरेज है उसको ब्लॉक कर देगा एंड ब्लॉक्स द सॉइल एंड हिंडर्स द एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ द वाटर बाय द सॉइल. अगर लैंड पे अनइवनली फेंक देंगे तो बारिश का पानी एब्जॉर्ब नहीं होगा, सो उसको अफेक्ट करेगा. If it is eaten by animals such as cows, it can choke the kill them. तो उनके अंदर डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम को चोक कर देगा, उन्हें मार देगा. प्लास्टिक बैग्स कैन ऑल्सो कंटामिनेट फूड स्टफ्स. जो फूड स्टफ्स हैं उनको पॉइजनस बनाता है. इफ़ वी पैक द फूड इन अ प्लास्टिक रैपर्स, सो प्लास्टिक रैपर्स मिक्स विद द hot food and it cause the cancer because of the poisonous dyes getting absorbed into food and if burnt for disposal. If it's burnt for disposal, they give out the harmful gases. If we try to burn the plastic bags, then then release the lots of harmful gases which cause the pollution and health problems. So some studies show that they may even cause cancer. Plastic cause cancer. Thankfully, over the last decade or so, a countrywide network of collection of plastic waste through a rag pickers. Rag pickers are those people who collect the rags or waste. वेस्ट कलेक्टर्स एंड द वेस्ट डीलर्स. वेस्ट कलेक्टर कचरा कलेक्ट करने वाले एंड वेस्ट डीलर्स कबाड़ी एंड recycle enterprises have sprung all over the country. So these enterprises control the immense problem of plastic. Because of this, approximately 60 to 80% of the plastic bags generated as a waste are collected by recycled. You must have seen the rest thrown on the ground. Rest thrown on the ground littered around the open drains and garbage dumps. It is this littered portion that is of concern of the cause extensive damage to the environment. If the rest which can littered around the drainage etc., they cause the extensive damage to the environment. So we need to throw the plastic bags properly into the dustbin. So that's why they are go to the proper factories and recycled again. In India, some municipal areas have banned the use of plastics and they seem to have achieved success. For example, today one will not see a single piece of plastic in the entire district of Ladakh, where the local authorities imposed a ban on plastic in 1998. Several other states have followed suit, but the implementation of the ban is still not satisfactory everywhere. और states ने भी apply किया, but it's not effective. We therefore see the reuse and recycling and reduce of amount of waste that is thrown into the community dustbins, thereby making the environment cleaner and the air fresher to breathe. A large portion of the garbage can be recycled or converted into compost, and only the small portion is the real waste that has no use and to be discarded as a landfill. So, this is a homework for your. This is your homework to try this activity and make a product from it. Try this activity and recycle the paper and make a sheet or a card from this paper, or if you want to be make any item from this paper, recycled paper. So do this activity home. Do this activity at home. and recycle the paper. I hope student you understand well, and I'm again explain what we do. First of all, tear the waste papers, then mix with the water till they become a pulp. जब तक वो एकदम गल नहीं जाता, घुल नहीं जाता, then mix with the help of mortar and make its paste. Make its paste. See, first tear and boil, then we need to remove the make its paste, then dry it up. सुखाएंगे, then it's not become completely wet, पूरी तरह से सूखना नहीं चाहिए, completely dry, then need to make it paper or sheet. So it's a homework for you for the recycling of paper, and do the recycling of paper and make a product from it. Okay students, thank you and have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.